Alright, you guys, today we're gonna install something new on my car. It's not really much like a modification like hardcore, but it's something. This is what we're gonna be installing. Don't mind my messy room, you know, I share with my brother. You know, that's my bed, brother. Still was messy, whatever. Alright, we're gonna be installing these. What I have in the box. So I've actually had it for a while, but I was actually just waiting until I got my car back. It's these. As it says here, window visors. And talking about this thing, right here it says 02 to 08, you know, and they never made a 07 or 08 RSX or DC5, I guess, you know. So I mean, these aren't the OEM window visors or whatever you would, yeah, window visors, I guess. They're not OEM, they're not WeatherTech, they're some other, they're, what is it called, HIVs, I think, something like that. Yeah, so I mean, but this thing, like, you know, we'll see how good they fit. A lot of people told me to get the OEM one. They were like 300, you know, and for weather visors, like window visors, whatever, like 300 is a bit too much. I mean, yeah, they're OEM and they won't fall off. A lot of people say they fall off, you know, but we'll see how these goes. And yeah, I mean, if it falls off, it falls off. What can you do? They're only like $50, not too much, you know. Or were they $30? I don't remember. I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can check it out if you guys want some. They're okay, but we're gonna install them right now. Oh yeah, also I forgot to say, we're gonna be installing this part too. Oh well, we're gonna be installing this sticker too, decal. But we're gonna be installing this. This is like the roof window visor, I guess you would want to say. I know my roof's hella messy, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this one too. I mean, it might look tacky to some of you guys. I actually think it looks pretty slick. I mean, I don't know. Like, I was debating, but you know, it is my car, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. Fuck it. If I don't like it, just take it off. $30, you know, not too bad. It seems like both of the window visors are both used with 3M tape, and that's pretty much it. So not too complicated. Obviously, it kind of speaks for itself. And yeah, I'll let you guys know once we're out there. Alright, so I actually ended up putting one of them already. As you can see, oh, and the brand was HIC. Here it goes. This basically sticks on from here to there. The only issue I think I see from this one is just this little flap. As you can see, let me see. Then there you can see it's not sticking on. Well, it doesn't have anything. So that's basically the only issue what I see from this. You stick them on from here, and that's basically it. I send it to the driver's side, and with that one I will be showing you guys. But this is basically how it looks. Open the door, nothing, well, obviously, but basically it sticks onto this part right here. So basically what I was saying is you take out the little part of it on the thing, you stick it onto that thing right there, going along the edges. It's gonna line up legit from here. Don't stick it onto this rubber, stick it onto this thing right here. You just stick, let me see, once you stick it on you. So you take this thing off, let a little bit off like that. Also, don't forget to remove this one, because on the other one I forgot to know how to do it once I stuck the whole entire thing off. You stick it on like that. So it is basically on there already. It's like little, it's not like 100% good, but I mean, you won't really tell that. So what you do is just basically pull this off like that. But you gotta make sure to use both of your hands and make sure it's like at the correct angle so that it won't look too bad. And just lift the little piece out there to put that last part, and basically it's gonna stick around there as soon as you push. Honestly, this thing is way bigger than I expected, not gonna lie. But either way, what I did is I cleaned it with glass cleaner just to make sure that all the dust and the dirt is off. And now to see how to put this thing on. It has multiple 3M tape. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Left it like that. I'm gonna pull it once I put it on. I'm gonna pull it from this angle, which is the right side, and then at the other side like that. And I'm gonna try to stick it on there like this. Try to make sure that every little piece comes out so that you're able to pull it and it won't get stuck. I'll be right with you. It is getting dark, but put it on there. I feel like it's a bit too big. I'm not sure. It kind of looks funky. I feel like it doesn't look how the picture showed it. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just my eyes. I don't know. But I might take it off later on. I'm gonna leave it on right now, but maybe later on I might take it off. I'm not sure. I don't know. I will see. Now I'm gonna just put on the decal. Wasn't too hard. A bit more complicated than the window visors from this side, but not that hard. Nothing you guys can't do. Also, it does help to have a razor to remove the 3M tape. Forgot to say that. Now I'm gonna just put on the little decal right here, and should be golden. As you can see, it got pretty dark real quick, huh? Well, it took me a really long time to get this somehow. Longer than it should have. I was trying to get it straight. It's probably not that straight, but I mean, here, there. Let me just pull this decal. You guys should follow this Instagram account if you guys are really into TC5 content. So yeah, this is pretty much the overall car right now. It's okay, you know, still missing the wing. I'm gonna get that tomorrow or Tuesday. Still waiting for the guy, But yeah, let me know if you guys like this content. If so, subscribe and follow me on Instagram @_D_Djera. Thank you guys so much.